Howdy guys, how are we today? Today's a different pace of a video. Brung the rods out, come out to the cod spot on Easter. So I'm having a bit of Easter fish. As you can tell, don't got the bow, so yeah, she's a switch up this time. But I come out the other day with Eric and Zach. Eric got a nice 60 something centimetre carp, so yeah. But the river's down a lot. Oh, not much. Like, it's down a lot further than the other day when we was out. But the other day we only done a bait fish and we brung the rods for a surface. But today I thought I'd go all the way down to the main holes, and I got a big lure, well, medium-sized lure and spinnerbait, and I got the bag full of lures, drinks, 2 sandwiches. So yeah, today you ain't on the chest with fishing, is on the hat. I lost my I didn't lose my chest piece, I lost a clip that goes into my chest piece. I was using that as a mouthpiece for bow hunting, and I shot a decent sized goat and unscrewed my camera from it to put it on the tripod, and I lost a little clip bit. So yeah, now I use it on the hat today and for the rest of it until I can get another clip. But just got to the first hole. I'll whack yours on the head and we'll start flicking. Phew. Fox. There's a fox. I just seen a fox. He just come up out of here. Big fox too. And I just sat there and he come down probably 4 or 5 steps and he seen me move my head and he turned around and flew the other way. So that was pretty cool. Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, big puff of, big cloud of dirt. Oh, let me give my slides back over here. I'll give us a quick rundown on what happened. Because that was pretty insane actually. Pretty insane. Biggest carp I've ever felt. And shit. Oh, is he still there? Oh wait there guys, I'm gonna put this. So for instance, as you can see, the big puff, well, you could see it. So there was a carp. Carp sitting right, I'd say about here. Yeah, around there. His back was out of the water, and I was standing up on the log over there and I could see his back. And I ran down, kicked my slides off and threw my lure over the top of him and snagged him. And he just went ballistic, like he went nuts. He went all the way up near the tree, come back down, got to the rock, was spinning around the rock, and then he got off. And he fought like a monster, and I didn't even hook him. I had him hooked in the back. He looked like a monster, and he was a monster, and he fought like a monster. He was next level. It was next level. Couldn't even grab my GoPro out of my pocket. Just because how slow it's been, I've put my GoPro in my pocket instead of keeping it on my head. And the moment I do, I walk over and, well, I'll stand up here and I'll snag something. So yeah, but I'm going to get back into it. And I'll get back to you. Yo. Guys, I just witnessed a massive buff. Massive, just as I put yours back in my pocket. I turned it off, put the camera in my pocket, and I walked over towards the bags so I can have a drink, and I just hear crunch, real loud, and I just look over and I just see this white tip, this real big white tip, and this massive splash just out of here. Real massive it was. Ginormous. Easy 80 to 90 centimetre cod. Easy. I'm gonna get over here, guys, and I'm gonna throw around here. I'll get back to you. Shit. Come on, guys. Come on. So we're all out over that corner. How are you? There's my Easter cod. Alright, well, because I'm by myself here, guys. Oh, wait. Don't get the rod out of my arm. Thank you. People were fishing in here earlier too, guys. That bloke and his sister or his partner, either one, they were up in here earlier. Set him in the water. I thought I was on a stick, guys, not even gonna lie. I thought I was snagged on a stick. And then I started winding and then I felt pull. And then I felt the head shakes and I'm like, okay, no, that's a fish. So, yeah. I don't know. I got no leader on too, guys, so I'm a bit scared. Come here, bud. And this reel that I'll have on this rod is completely effed. So I'm pretty surprised. Ah, bud. But ready. That's how effed it is. Come here, bud. Nice. I didn't really want to bring him up on the bank, but I got no glove or any bogey grips, so yeah. Alright. There you go, guys. Put him on the mat. $55. Oh, 55. Oh, I'll grab a quick photo, send it to the boys, and I'll get him back. I don't want to keep him out of the water for too long. Oh, Eric just put his video up. Eric literally just put his video up from last fortnight. Or last week. Either one. Get a release on him, guys. Let this big majestic fella go. He'll bite down when he's ready. There he goes. And he's off. Yoo-hoo! I got a cod! It's been 5 weeks. 3 to 5 weeks. I finally broke my duck. Yes! Yes! She ain't, fishing trip just ain't over just yet. Still got 2 more holes and then it is. But only got 18% in this battery, in this GoPro battery. So I'm gonna get up here and I'll get a fish. I'll whack it on or I'll get it on the phone, either one. But yeah, see you soon.